Okay, so what we're doing here now is I've got this panel just about all cut and fit. I still have a few more pieces of backing plates to make here, and then down in the bottom here. I just wanted to give you guys an idea how this thing is put together. And then so this seam here, it's temporarily riveted here. These will get pulled out and drilled to a bigger size, the outer size panel, or outer panel, and then they'll get plug welded. There'll be quite a few more in here going around this seam, along with welding this seam. And then by the time it's all welded and buffed and whatnot, you'll never know it was ever there. It should turn out to be a pretty good repair. And then it's going to get the same thing down here on the bottom. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief update of how that's going. Seems to be going pretty good. I got that back window out of there. That was a pain in the ass, having that urethane way down in this edge here, and then the window right on this lip here, so there's just hardly any access to get down here. But I was able to cut it out, didn't scratch anything all the way around. It came out just the way it should, didn't break anything either. Had to pull the headliner partially down on the back, along with pull all this interior and whatnot out so I could get the regulator for the rear window out. But yeah, that went pretty good. So, and I've got the new adhesives and whatnot I'm going to use for it. It's a different product I've never used before. It's a 3M product. So that's supposed to work pretty good. And then there's also a different seam sealer they want me to use on it. It's a 805 HD. So, and it's a direct to metal sealer, single component. And then there's a few things on the inside here. Pop this back off here. I'll have to replace in both of these, and they'll get new beds of urethane foam on them, top and bottom. This one actually got broke right here from where the cab was up against it. This was all folded up in here like this. That's how far the cab was squished. So yeah, just wanted to give you a brief update on it. One more thing. This seam coming down will be glued along with this back seam, but the bottom one they leave open, no glue on it, and I assume that's for water to drain out, so we won't be putting any glue there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll post another update after I get it welded on.